Bullish XDC organization, XDC. Cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.132729 and $0.250711 by 2030. Market examiners accept XDC could reach $0.103234 by 2025. Bearish XDC organization market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.023596. XDC organization, XDC, presentation, Avenger grade, EVM consistent, cross-breed blockchain. The XDC organization, previously known as Xinfin organization, is furnished with public and confidential state and interoperable Shroud agreements. Ethereum and Morgans, presently consensus majority. The XDC organization utilizes a designated evidence of stake (TOS) instrument that empowers 2-second exchange times, insignificant gas expenses, and more than 2,000 exchanges each second (TPS). The XDC organization is a savvy contract stage that empowers decentralized applications. dApps creation. POS, which represents designated evidence of stake, is the agreement strategy that Xinbalance utilizes. This calculation approves exchanges prior to remembering them for blocks. Contrasted with evidence of work calculations, POS calculations are noted for their astoundingly low energy utilization (POW). The wrongdoing balance local area projects votes or delegates their XDC tokens to masternodes, which in this way assume on the liability of affirming exchanges. This is the way the evidence of stake (POS) component is designated. Since each masternode conforms to KIC norms, it is a lot less difficult to work inside the administrative system and with concentrated monetary organizations. Fundamental for clients are running masternodes that they commit 10 million XDC. The XDC can be utilized as influence in circumstances including misconduct or margin time. Assume an expert hub is viewed as acting improperly. Its serious XDC will either be decreased or totally eliminated from the convention. Clients whose stakes are put away on these masternodes will similarly see an impact on their stakes. In this video, we will give a value forecast at XDC and make sense of the variables that could affect its cost developments later on. XDC value history. In mid-2017, the Sheen Blade convention was made. All through the period, Xinfin held its ICO and was recorded on Alfex without precedent for the final quarter. The association's effective ICO, which raised $15 million, showed a great market reaction. The group started symbolic deals on Coinoc, Banker, Etherflyer, Alfex, and for Delta at a 20% premium over the commitment cost. In April 2018, CoinMarketCap recorded the principal cost of XDC as $0.0036. XDC failed to meet expectations until May 2020, when the cost outperformed the initial cost. Since hitting its unsurpassed low, XDC has been on the ascent because of trade boundlessness, trading ERC20 for XDC in a 1:1 proportion. The move gave XDC a truly necessary lift and before long started encountering excessive cost energy. The XDC organization is an interoperable blockchain network for worldwide exchange and money. The organization empowers digitization, tokenization, and moment settlement of exchanges, expanded productivity, and lessens dependence on complex FX frameworks. This considers expanded adaptability and liquidity. The board for monetary organizations. XDC organization is as of now worth $0.029495 United States dollars. XDC has moved 2.42% as of now with an exchanging volume of $1,782,164. XDC organization is as of now position 84 among all cryptographic forms of money, with a market capitalization of $407,661,380 United States dollars. Using the general strength record, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination disparity, MACD, from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for XDC organization, XDC. To conclude, whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant XDC organization, XDC, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. XDC organization, XDC, value expectation 2023 XDC organization, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. XDC. The XDC cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0.044243. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0.041294 in cost is very aggressive, however it is plausible soon, given expected joint efforts and headways. XDC is supposed to have a base worth of $0.035394. XDC Organization, XDC, Value Expectation 2024 of every 2024. XDC Organization XDC Cost Expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of XDC will before long outperform $0.073738. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the XDC's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, XDC will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.058991 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.06489. XDC Organization, XDC. Value Forecast 2025, assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.103234 and XDC might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, XDC Organization, XDC, Value Expectation 2026. On the off chance that XDC Organization effectively supports market opinion among digital currency aficionados, the XDC coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, XDC will be green in 2026. The XDC is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.132729 with a base cost of $0.117982 and a typical cost of $0.123881. XDC Organization, XDC, Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the XDC cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.153376 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.147477 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, XDC has a most extreme value worth of $0.162225. XDC Organization, XDC, Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come associations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.182871. In the event that XDC figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0.19172, neglecting to assemble the help